Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax update error quickly. Yeah, if the software isn't updating properly, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need the latest features or tax forms, but most of the time it's actually an easy fix once you follow a few simple steps. So first, check your internet connection. TurboTax needs a stable and reliable connection to download updates. So if your Wi-Fi is slow or disconnecting, that could easily cause the error. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. I mean, security software can sometimes block the update, thinking it's suspicious, which prevents TurboTax from downloading the latest files. After that, restart your computer and run TurboTax as an administrator. Yeah, right-click the program and select Run as Administrator, because permission issues often cause update failures. Also, make sure there's enough storage space on your system. If your hard drive is nearly full, the update may fail to install completely. And yeah, if the update still doesn't work, clear any temporary files from previous installations or updates. Corrupt or leftover files can block new updates. Finally, check if TurboTax servers are online. Occasionally, high traffic or maintenance can cause update errors, so it's worth checking before trying repeatedly. So, yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix TurboTax update errors. In most cases, these steps should get your software updated successfully without any extra hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.